Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are hooking up a classic crochet granny square designs ideas. So please watch this video till end without skip. Get ready to create a timeless and cozy accessories for your granny square ideas. In this video we will be making a stylish, beautiful, crochet, colorful, themed granny square designs ideas using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet this stunning granny square to add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and multiple of number. Now let's add the pattern. We will be using a combination of double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, colors or embellishments like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones and many other accessories you use and decor your granny square and attach with each other and make a very beautiful granny square blanket, granny square cushions, covers, ladies top, shirts and many other accessories you use granny square and make all the ideas easily. Use embellishment to create unique granny square, and that's it. Your crochet beautiful granny square is complete and ready to use all the granny square. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, tutorial videos and different pattern ideas. Please be share your finished granny square with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more crochet ideas, home decoration ideas, different accessories. Happy hooking. We will be seeing you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and all the ideas, designs, patterns. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. Be share your creativity with us and do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. If you want to buy all the patterns, so you visit many different websites and my official website Be Pattern. You visit and order your favorite design pattern ideas. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.